In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a discount from your Shopify store. Managing discounts is an essential part of maintaining your online shop, and knowing how to remove outdated or unnecessary ones can keep your store running smoothly. Let's walk through this process together so you can confidently manage your discounts. To get started, you'll first need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, glance over to the left side of your screen. Here, you're going to see a panel of options. Look for the one labeled Discounts and give it a click. This section is the hub for all discount activities, whether you're creating new offers or cleaning up the old ones. After selecting Discounts, you'll be presented with a list of all the discounts you've created for your store. This table will provide you with an overview, including names and descriptions, so you can easily identify the ones you'd like to remove. Now, what you want to do next is carefully go through the list. You're looking for those discounts that are ready to be deleted, whether they've expired or you simply no longer need them. Beside each discount, you'll notice a checkbox. For each discount you wish to remove, make sure to tick the corresponding boxes. It's a straightforward process, and selecting multiple discounts for deletion is not only possible, but also efficient. Once you have your selections made, direct your attention to the top right corner of the table. Here, you'll spot a 3 dots icon. This is the action menu, and clicking it will reveal several options tailored to these discounts. Select the option labeled Delete Discounts. By clicking this, you'll initiate the removal process. A prompt might appear, ensuring that you're aware of the action you're about to take, as this step cannot be reversed. Confirm your selection, and just like that, the discounts you marked are deleted from your store. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. You've successfully learned how to delete a discount from your Shopify store. Remember, keeping your discounts up to date not only helps in terms of organization, but also ensures that your customers have the most accurate information available when they shop. It's an excellent habit to regularly audit and remove any discounts that are no longer serving your business's goals. Thank you for joining me today to walk through this process. I hope you found this guide helpful and encouraging as you continue to enhance your Shopify experience. Keep managing your store with confidence, and don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial if you ever need a refresher. Happy selling!